Hello guys, my name is Vedica and today I'm going to give a piece of information about automobile. Have you ever wondered that how much have we evolved from a horse buggy to a Ford GT or from a bicycle to a Suzuki Hayabusa? The history of automobile. For centuries, the steam-powered vehicles were known as the prototype of modern cars. The first official automobile was 1885 Mercedes-Benz patent motor wagon, and it was invented by Carl Benz and was also the first official interior designing car. Automobile design is the process of developing the appearance of a motor vehicle, which also includes cars, wagons, vans, motorcycles, etc. It has three main parts: interior design, exterior design, and color and texture. The task of a designer is split into three main parts, as we know. First, the interior designing. It includes seat, covers, the headline, steering wheel, etc. Second, the exterior design. It is responsible for proportion, shape, detail, and the texture. It is usually made manually, or it can also be made digitally. The last but not the least is the color and design. It usually consists of the texture of the car, the color, the paints, plastic, fabrics, and texture, etc. I hope that this information is useful for you. Thank you for listening.